I am high speed.
I am extreme.
I am radical.
I am adrenaline.
I am performance. Racing's been my entire life. That's all I've ever really loved and enjoyed. I really enjoyed the whole process of what I do. Just keep that never-ending improvement going. For me, it's an absolute way of life.
Dealing with the fastest is all a part of it. I've been dealing with it my whole career. I think having that backing from a company is awesome. When it comes down to can he still do it, because the amount of times people have said I can't and then I've been able to prove them wrong is more often than not. The end of 2023 left me so hungry to come back and try and achieve that goal that I set last year.
It's going to be my 10th season. I've been racing for Red Bull KTM Factory Racing. For me, it's awesome to be starting 2024 and I'm looking forward to getting back on the bike.
Brad is doing an amazing job being so many years with us, getting better every day. Jack came to our team, made us better.
I think next to the motorcycle, the biggest progress we made in the team structures.
To be honest, I can't wait for the first race. It's time to deliver.
I am high speed.
I am uncompromising.
I am disruptive.
I am state of the art.
We are Red Bull KTM Factory Racing.
We are ready to race.